In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to borrow money on GCash app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app, how to see your borrowing limit, and how to submit your loan request clearly and confidently. First, open the GCash app on your phone and log in as you normally do. From the home screen, look for the View All button. This expands the full list of services, so nothing important is hidden. Go ahead and tap View All. Next, find and tap the Borrow section. Inside Borrow, choose GLoan. This is the feature designed for quick cash loans straight to your GCash wallet. When you open GLoan, the app will show you how much you're eligible to borrow right now. This amount is personalized based on your account history and usage. Think of it as your available credit line. You can borrow up to that number, but you don't have to take the maximum. It's there so you can plan responsibly. When you're ready, tap Get Started. You'll be asked to enter the loan amount. Type in the exact amount you need, staying within the limit you saw on screen. A helpful rule is to borrow only what you can comfortably repay, so your future payments fit your budget. After that, select your installment plan. This is where you choose how long you want to pay the loan back. Shorter terms mean bigger monthly payments but typically less overall cost, while longer terms lower the monthly amount but may increase the total you pay over time. Take a moment to consider what works best for your cash flow so you can stay on track without stress. You'll also be asked to choose a loan purpose from the available options. Pick the category that best matches your reason for borrowing. This helps the service understand how the funds will be used and may support faster assessment. Before you finalize, the app will show a summary of your choices, including the amount, the installment plan, and the estimated payment schedule. Review everything carefully so there are no surprises. If it all looks correct, tap Get This Loan. Now, wait while the app processes your request. Approval can be quick, and once approved, the loan amount will be credited to your GCash wallet. Keep an eye on notifications for updates. Remember to track your upcoming due dates and pay on time to avoid additional charges and to help maintain good standing for future borrowing. That's it. Simple, clear, and secure right inside the GCash app.